Hi everyone, it's your boy Ricky here for Honeybee Stamps. I hope you're doing well today and thank you so much for being here. In today's video, we are going to be making a summer card using some products from the last release. And I have to say, living in Chicago, the end of August starts to get a little scary for us because it could possibly snow on September 1st. I mean, it's crazy. But we start to get a little depressed because, when the winter hits, we're kind of stuck inside for like at least 4 or 5 months. We'll go out and do just regular things, but like no walks out on the beach and stuff like that. But anyway, so we're going to make a summer card today. It's going to be a birthday card and it's going to be pretty simple, pretty much all die cutting. So before we get started, taking a look at what we're going to be using today, just a few things. Subscribe to the channel, please. Click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. Third, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about the card. And fourth, share the love. If you know someone that may like this video, go ahead and send it out to them. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're going to be using today. Okay, so in today's card, we're going to be using the Sunkissed Summer sentiment stamp along with the coordinating dies. And we're going to be using the layering, lovely layers at the beach. And then we're just going to be using some white cardstock, black cardstock, and just card base. So sorry guys. Let's get set up for the first. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to cut out the pieces of the umbrella. We're going to do that 7 times. And when I come back, I'm going to show you an example of what we're going to do with these. So let me go ahead and get those cut out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out 7 of these, but I'm only going to show you an example of what we're doing with one. Basically, I'm going to do a rainbow of all of these, but I'm just going to show you the first one here. We're going to use Poppy from Concord and Night, and we're just going to use the paper pouncer here. And basically, so easy, you guys. We're just pouncing the color onto the piece of the umbrella that has the texture, so you can see like the little polka dot things. So that's all we're doing. We're not doing anything with this because this is going to go on top of that. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what these all look like. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to take this piece, so simple, and we're just going to glue this down to the other piece of the umbrella. You might hear my dog tapping away. She's in the craft room. So we are just going to put that down. Make sure it's nice and even. The bottom layer has embossing lines on it, so you can see exactly where this goes. And it also, I mean, you could see kind of like it matches the edges. So we have the red, and then I have all the other colors here that I've already done. Super cute, love them. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to white heat emboss on black cardstock because that's how we do here. It's my favorite thing in the world. And we are going to do summer birthdays are the best. I wouldn't know that because my birthday's in March. So if your birthday is in the summer, is it the best? I kind of feel like in school, it's probably not the best because you don't get to celebrate it at school. So that doesn't seem like a win-win for me. So I was always able to celebrate my birthday in school, which was fun. Alrighty, so we're gonna put the black cardstock down here. Put the stamp down. I'll pull that up. And let's get all the stuff here. Alrighty, so we are gonna put down some anti-static here so the powder doesn't stick to where it's not supposed to. And then we're just gonna use some clear ink here. Remember, since this is a sentiment, we don't want to press too hard. We just want to lightly tap. And then we could just stamp it again if we need to, which it didn't look like it needed it, but we did it anyway. Alrighty. Then we're going to take the white embossing powder and just cover this up. All right, that looks great. I'm going to heat emboss this, then I'm going to use the matching die to cut it out, and then we're going to come together and start putting the card together. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to start putting the card together, and I kind of want the umbrellas to be in this formation on this card. And I know that I want the orange and the indigo glued down to the card. So I just want to do a little tester here. Just make sure. Yeah, I think that looks good. All right, so we're going to glue this down. Let's get some glue. Need to get a glue bottle, I think. All right, so that one was going to go right there. And then I think indigo was going to go like about right there. Okay, for all the rest of these colors, these are going to get popped up with foam tape. So let me get that out really quick. One million scissors, none of them available when you need them. Here we go. All right, so we're just going to place some foam tape on the back of this. We're going to place this down. We might have to cut some of the edges off, which is going to be sad, but that's okay. All right, so I have that one there. I'm going to put foam tape on the rest of these, and they're magically going to appear on top of the card. Okay, so I decided these umbrellas needed a little something, so I'm going to use the Americana gem stickers, and I'm just going to take the smallest gems and then just place those in the center of the umbrellas. It's not a lot. I mean, you probably no one will ever notice it, but I just felt like it needed something. So I'm going to add these here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the final thing we're going to do for this card is put the sentiment on, and the card is going to be done. Like I said, it's pretty simple. The hardest part was just, doing all the die cutting. Everything else was pretty simple. I think I'm just going to put the sentiment in the center. Yeah, and that looks great. I probably need to cut off the edges, which is super sad. Let's do that really quick. Did all that hard work, and then you just have to chop some of it off. It happens. But it has to fit in the card. You may not have to do that if you were going to hand deliver it to somebody. You probably wouldn't need to, but... All right, let's take a look. There we go. I love it. It's simple. It's cute. It's very summery birthday. It's making me sad because, summer's almost over here in Chicago. But anyway, there we go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you click the links down below for anything that I used if you wanted to check that out. And there's a new release coming out soon. Keep an eye out on that because I'm super excited. There's a lot of good stuff in it. And yeah, so we're going to go. So if you could subscribe to the channel, we'd really appreciate it. Click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. Third, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you liked about the card. And fourth, share the love. If you know someone that may like this video, go ahead and send it out to them. So until next week, I will talk with you all soon. Bye.